see where we at, guys, man. For all the dog breeders, I'm sure y'all understand what's going on. You know, it's about that time. You know, go and get these dogs their shots. You know, the ones that's going home, and for the rest of the keepers, go in here and get a couple supplies. You know, quick little trip, man. Put my bifocals on because y'all know, if y'all know me in real life, y'all know I really can't see. But until I get my eyes done, this is just what it's gonna be. So y'all about to watch me administer their first set of shots. So it's very simple. Right, now we got a mixie. Now we got our first administered shot. And so y'all gonna watch us do the first dog. Just wanna wipe the spot that you're gonna administer the needle.
Wasn't too bad, huh, big boy? Come on, Storm, you got this. Big girl.
Good girl.